Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about if SocialBlade's analytics are accurate. Okay, so if you don't know what SocialBlade is, it is a website that has analytics and data on other people's social media platforms. And in particular, people use this a lot to check out other people's YouTube channels. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm here on the SocialBlade website right now, and it automatically tends to go to the YouTube, but you can check out other people's like Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, but like I said, most people use it to check out other YouTube channels. So to check out if this is accurate, I'm going to do this on our own channel and let you know if the stats are actually accurate, including the income stats. Let's type in our channel here, click search. Okay, and then this is going to come up, select channel, and then here is our SocialBlade like analytics data page that this is public and people can see this. If you go and type in Essetino artists on SocialBlade, you can see this exact same thing. So it's not just for me to see. Now, in terms of this kind of stuff like uploads, this is accurate. Video views, let's see if this is currently accurate. This is, yeah, we're in Canada. We put our channel as education because we do tutorials, and this is when we created the channel. So first, I can tell you right now the subscribers is inaccurate because there's stuff going on YouTube right now with the subscriber count, but let's check out the current views. So I'm here on our analytics page on our YouTube channel, and it says here, if I hover over it, it's saying 4.4, but if I hover, it says 4,435,390. And if we go back to SocialBlade, it says 4,100,000. So it's about 300,000 views off. And then the subscribers, now this isn't SocialBlade's fault that it's inaccurate. It's YouTube right now because they're doing this thing where they're rounding the subscriber numbers off. So right now our real-time subscriber count is 23,139, and it might be a couple off because they don't do it every second. So this is kind of what it is right now at the moment. But if you go back to SocialBlade, it says 23,100. And this is because YouTube is just kind of rounding things off. So when we get up to 23,200, then it's going to say 23.2K. So let's go down here, and okay, they gave us a letter grade of B-. That's really cool because I remember when we were in the C grades, we had like C+, C, and I guess now we're at a B-, so that's good. And this is like our SocialBlade rank, subscriber rank, video views rank, and country rank based of our YouTube channel rank in Canada, and our education rank. So because we're in the education category, this is our rank based on other people's channels. So this stuff I'm not really, that's their own calculation, so I have nothing really to compare that to. And then here, the earnings. So it says that we make between $42 and $678 per month. And I can tell you, and that's in US dollars, and I can tell you that that is pretty inaccurate. And it says here our estimated yearly earnings is $508 to 8.1K, 8,000. So let's head over to our channel to see what we're doing for the month so far. So we're here on the dashboard of our channel right now, and if I click refresh, this is where we're at right now. So we're at $1,128.99 for the month, and this is in US dollars. So as you can see, it's quite like SocialBlade's stats are way below what it actually is. So if we actually take a calculator and see how much they are off, so we are at 1128. Let's just put it at that, 1128. And then let's go over to SocialBlade, and they say that we make between $42 and $678, so minus $678. So they're about $450 off our actual amount. So these stats, the earning stats, are definitely inaccurate. They're just speculating, but they can't really tell if certain videos are doing well. Like our Etsy video right now is earning a lot of our revenue, like on Google AdSense. And I don't think they have access to that kind of data. So they're just kind of speculating based on an overall number of what the general public makes. And then if you scroll down here, it says like your subscribers for the day. And then as you can see here, when YouTube did that whole freeze thing, they were kind of figuring out the new subscriber thing. It just stayed at 23,000 for like 4 or 5 days. And I was wondering what was going on because I went to SocialBlade and I was going to their live subscriber count because they're usually really accurate with that stuff. And it was just frozen at 23,000. So I figured something might be going on. They're doing some update, and they are. Like if you go here to live subscriber count, this is now just static at this, and this number won't change until we get to 23,200 before you could actually see like in real time when a new person would subscribe. For the most part, from what I've seen based on other people's channels, friends' channels, they're usually below what it actually is. So as you saw, the video views were 300,000 below what it actually is, and the income was about $400 or $500 below what it actually is. So I would take looking at these stats with a grain of salt. Don't take them as accurate because they could vary. They could be below, they could be over. But it's still a good site, you know, to look at and see where you overall rank in the whole grand scheme of things. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Back from the dead.